You might be familiar with the lean manufacturing process. Let's see how software development could adapt the same principles. The lean software development was originated from the lean manufacturing principles and practices, where the emphasis is on precision, specifications, and value, all wrapped up in an uninterrupted flow toward perfection. The main idea is really to eliminate waste. If you can imagine a modern automobile manufacturing plant where everyone is doing exactly what they were supposed to do, and every part of the process is clicking like a well oiled machine, that is what we're trying to duplicate in lean software development. So, what are some of the lean principles? The number one principle is to eliminate waste. Waste is defined in everything not adding value to the customer. Here are some of the waste defined in lean: partially done work, extra features, relearning, task switching, waiting, handoffs, defects, and my personal favorite, management activities. Lean thinks that the software development process is a continuous learning principle and process based on iterations. We are trying to solve problems by writing code, test with customer, learn the feedback, and rewrite the code if needed. So the second principle is to speed up and amplify this learning process. The third principle is to decide as late as possible. Think about how much uncertainties there are in today's fast changing environment. New customer requirements might pop up, new competitors might enter the market, not to mention technologies changes really fast. So by delaying big decisions as late as possible, we have some flexibilities built in. The fourth principle is to deliver as fast as possible. We all know technology changes rapidly. The sooner we could get some kind of product, even as beta, into the customer's hands, the faster we could receive the crucial feedbacks that we need to make the products better. The lean process also wants to empower teams for decision making. The traditional ways of top down decision making, from management to developers, are long gone. They are replaced by giving people on the ground the power to make decisions that might fit the customer's needs better. Lean also has an emphasis on building technology integrity. As our software system becomes more complicated, we need to make sure the system work well as a whole despite the individual moving parts. A good example of building integrity in would be what we have discussed before, using test driven development to ensure all the new features added do not compromise the system as a whole. The last principle we'll discuss, but certainly not the least, is to optimize the whole system. Our projects are not the sum of its parts. The lean development process encourages us to think in terms of the whole picture and the interaction between the different components. A good summarization of the lean development process could be read from the book Lean Software Development and Agile Toolkit. Think big, act small, fail fast, and learn rapidly.